me record from my side and let me share the screen. Right? Fine. So till here we just discussed it, right? Fine. So let's go with the course duration. We'll discuss about the course details now. Okay. So course duration is like we are going to discuss 1.5 month daily. Okay, 1.5 hour daily morning 7 to 8:30. Timings are fixed 7 to 8:30 a.m. daily morning 7 to 8:30 a.m. Weekdays. In the beginnings, it is weekdays only. Okay. After 1 month, what I'll do, I'll introduce Saturday also. I'll add Saturday also. Okay, Saturday also we are going to take the classes. Why? Because so if we can discuss more, okay, if you can close it as early as possible so that you can apply for the job. So I don't want to skip any topic. So that's why I'm adding one more extra day so that to discuss a lot of things. Okay. So after 1 month, Saturday also will be included. So we are going to discuss on Saturday. Up to 1 month, we'll connect Monday to Friday, every day morning 7 to 8:30 a.m. And duration is 45 days. 45 days means 1.5 month. I'm expecting 1.5 month plus or minus up to 5 days. Okay, might be 50 days. 1.5 month, I'm expecting 1.5 month. Okay, if everything goes well, 1.5 month, but I'm expecting 50 days. Okay, your course duration will be 50 days. Right. And who can learn this course? As discussed in my video in the YouTube channel. Okay, anyone can learn this course, guys. But again, I guess some of you from non-technical, okay, non-science background, right? So my suggestion is, guys, if you are serious about the course, please attend the classes daily. Don't skip it. Please try to complete your practice as early as possible. Every day you have to practice. And if you want to keep 4 years experience or 5 years experience, your practice should be 4 times or 5 times. Depends upon your number of years of experience. Your practice should be 4 times or 5 times. Like if we discussed 1 hour, you have to practice it for 4 hours. Okay, so in that way you have to practice, guys. It's not a simple thing as discussed. Technology is simple. As this technology is simple, lot of competition will be there. If you want to open your mouth again, every topic you have to practice for 10 times, 15 times, 20 times, then only, guys, you can be succeeded. Learning is easy. You can easily understand the things. Nothing to worry. I'll explain everything. Okay. But again, there is a huge competition will be there. Okay. As technology is easy and everyone wants to switch their career to IT, they will start with the databases only. Okay. Especially SQL Server databases only they are going to start. So competition will be there. Huge competition will be there. So if you want to select again, okay, you can only select once you are practicing at least 4 hours or 5 hours in a day. It's not like, okay, chalo, today I completed my practice. Nothing like that. One time, if you do the practice, you can just simply understand the thing. Second time, if you do it, okay, you have an idea on that. Third time, if you're doing, okay, you have some knowledge on that. Fourth time, you are doing the same thing, then you can reproduce it. Okay, so fifth time, sixth time, seventh time, eighth time, you are exploring the things. Try to explore, right? Try to explore. Okay, don't simply learn the things. It won't help you. Try to explore the things. Okay, so every time you are doing, I'm saying every time you are doing the same topic, you will learn a lot of new things. Every time you are doing the practice, you will learn a lot of new things. Believe me, definitely you are going to learn a lot of new things whenever you are practicing. Okay, so that's why, so don't simply attend the classes, guys. Please try to practice every day. Try to spend 4 hours, 5 hours, productive spend. Not like, okay, I just opened SQL Server at morning 8 o'clock, then I'm going to close 12 o'clock. So my sir told spend 4 hours on SQL Server. So I spent 4 hours, that's it completed. Not like that. It should be productive. it should be productive. Okay, so your practice is very important, guys. Very, very, very important. I know. Okay, so everyone having a different story. Okay, everyone will have different story. Everyone want the job only. Okay, 6 lakhs, 7 lakhs, 8 lakhs, 9 lakhs, 10 lakhs, 11 lakhs, 12 lakhs packages. But when you can be succeeded, okay, it's not like simple. If you open SSMS or Management Studio or SQL Server, you won't get the job. If you practice it, you will get the job. It's very important, guys. Don't miss the practice. Okay, it's very, very, very important. Otherwise, it's useless. Okay, right. So this is the right time that you can complete. Don't skip the classes, guys. Don't, okay, stop the classes also. This is the right time. If we started now, we are going to close by the end of the, okay, this is like October, right? November and December. So like imagine up to like December 10 or 20th. So we are going to complete our course by December 10 or 20th. So you can happily try. Okay, December might be you can experience some less calls due to this Christmas and all. Okay, up to like January first week, second week, some less calls you can expect from January second week onwards. Calls will be there. Second week, third week onwards again. Again, less calls means normal calls. Call volume will be less. Okay. I'm not saying no calls, less calls. Right. And you will be ready. And of course, guys, it's already late. Okay. So you might have planned this course early, but now also you plan, that's fine. But again, if you stop it now, okay, again, okay, so you may not get the time to attend, you may not get that money, you may not get that interest and all. Okay, so please don't stop the classes. And I'm expecting up to March, okay, this situation, work from home situation will be there, so you can utilize the situation. After that, guys, if you stop the classes now, might be, okay, if work from home is like stopped by the companies, then you have to go to the companies and you have to give the interviews, which is very difficult to crack the interviews. Okay, so it's the correct time. And now they are asking only SQL DBA technology. If you have Azure, that's a plus. Okay, it's a desired technology now. After 6 months, guys, they will ask Azure also mandatory technology. You have to learn Azure SQL DB also. And again, as discussed earlier, your effort should be double, your time should be double, your money is double, but the salary is a single. Even though you learn Azure also, everything if you learn, everything like you have to put double efforts to learn. You have to learn SQL, you have to learn Azure, and you have to spend money also. Okay, you have to pay money for SQL, you have to pay money for Azure, and of course time practice also. You have to practice both the technologies. And now you know, right, getting job with one technology is simple, or two technologies is simple, you know, right? So a lot of effort should be there. Money also, like you have to spend more money to learn all these things. If you stop now, and again, this is the impact. But the package is same. Again, if you learn with Azure also, if you are going with Azure also, you will get the same 6 7 lakhs, 8 lakhs, 9 lakhs package only. Okay, so guys, please don't stop it. Okay, and I'm not going to teach Azure. Okay, DS. Okay, I'm not going to teach Azure. Okay, as of now, I'm going to teach only SQL Server DBA. Right. How to practice, as discussed. Okay, you have to practice for at least number of multiple times of your years of experience. You can keep, guys, again with my trainings. You can keep at least 4 to 5 years of experience. I am sure if you are very serious about the course, if you are regularly doing the practice, you can keep 6 years also. Yes, 6 years, lot of expectations, lot of hopes will be there. So go for 4 to 5 years, 4 years, 4.5, 5 years. If you have that, if you don't have that much of gap, go for 3.6. Minimum 3.6 is good. You will get calls. Three also fine. Okay, less than two, you will get very less calls. Two, less than two, up to three, you will get less calls. Calls will be there, but very less calls will be there. Right, so fine. Lab setup and prerequisites for setting up the lab. So I am going to use laptop, okay, Windows laptop, and I am going to use Oracle VirtualBox to complete the practice and all. Okay, so this is the Oracle VirtualBox, will create multiple machines. Okay, so I'll tell you, I'll give you the softwares and all, nothing to worry. I'll give the Oracle software, I'll give you the Windows Server softwares. Everything is real time only. I know 85% of the trainers, they will install SQL Server in their local laptop and they will explain all the topics, including log shipping and mirroring also. But it's not correct, guys. Nothing you are going to learn. Nothing you are going to learn with the help of this, okay? Local instances and all. You should have hands-on experience on the servers. Okay, so we are going to create the servers. We'll install Windows operating systems, Windows servers, and then we are going to practice everything on the servers. I'll show you how to connect to the server remotely. Uh, that is important, very important. How to connect to the server remotely is very important. We'll connect to the servers regularly in the organization remotely using MSDTC, okay, not sorry, MSTSC, or else remote desktop connections and all. Okay, you should know how to connect to the servers remotely and all. Okay, so that also we are going to discuss. Everything is real time only, guys. Everything is real time. Day one onwards, we'll discuss real time activities with real time setup. And to practice this, you should have at least 8 to 12 GB RAM. Initially, 4 GB is enough. Okay, initially for half of the concepts, 4 GB is enough. Okay, for remaining of, you should have 8 GB to 12 GB RAM, guys. 8 GB to 12 GB RAM. Okay, so we are going to create 3 virtual machines at a time for your HADR activities. Okay, three virtual machines, and these 3 virtual machines are going to be up and running at a time. So you should have minimum 8 to 12 GB, then only you can manage the practice and all. If you don't have, nothing to worry, you can extend your RAM. You can buy extra 4 GB RAM in the Amazon or Flipkart, whatever you want. Okay, you can buy it. i3 i5 anything is fine, not an issue. There is no specific processor. You can go with i3 or i5, no problem. i3 also will work fine, not an issue. Mine is i3 only. Okay, not an issue. And again, if you have i5, not an issue also, that is also not a problem. But 4 GB, if you have 4 GB RAM, try to extend it to 8 GB or 12 GB. Better go for 12 GB if there is a chance. Why? Because okay, there is no big difference between okay, a cost between your 4 GB and 8 GB slot. And go for it, go for 8 GB, so that you will have total 12 GB and you can practice all the things. Okay, right? 8 GB somewhat little bit slow, somewhat slowness you can experience. 12 GB it will be good. Okay, right? So in case if you don't have that much of RAM, initially you can work, you can practice, but later on you have to extend it to practice all the concepts, right? And you can buy it in the like Amazon or like Flipkart, or you can buy from your friends second hand RAMs and all, no problem. You can happily buy the second hand RAMs. Lifetime will be usually 10 years. Okay, so nothing to worry, you can buy it in case if you have a chance. Hardly it will be like, if you buy second hand, hardly it will be 1,000 rupees, 1,200, 1,500, like that it will be. Okay, you can, if you want. If you want to go for new RAM, 8 GB RAM will be 3,000 to 4,000. Okay, sometimes it will be 5,000 also. Okay, check it once in the Amazon and all. Softwares and notes I am going to provide. Softwares I'll give it, notes I'll give it. Okay, meeting softwares that will be used for the recordings. So we are going to connect using Zoom only. Okay, we are going to connect using Zoom meeting software regularly. And as discussed, I am going to give you the recording permissions, those who join from laptop. And I'll also record the sessions. Each and every session I'll record from my side. And I'm going to, initially, I'll upload the classes to my YouTube channel. I hope everyone knows my YouTube channel, right? I guess all comes with the help of YouTube channel only. I don't have any other source. So go to YouTube, just type SQL DBA classes. You can see in the beginning, you can see like this 3 servers. Okay, and go to this channel. This is our channel. Okay, go to this channel, go to video section. There you can see the classes. I am going to upload 20 to 30% classes only. Don't expect all the classes will be uploaded in the YouTube. Okay, so I am not going to upload all the classes. Just I'll upload 20 to 30% classes will upload in the YouTube. Remaining classes I am going to send it to your email directly. Okay, even after updating Zoom, unable to download the permission. Okay, Nitin, okay, just restart your laptop. Sometimes it will show like that. Okay, right, fine. Right, so this is how you have to do. Okay, okay, fine. Right. So I'm going to upload the classes. Today class also I'm going to upload here only. Okay, go to video section and you can see the classes and you can see some of the classes from my previous batches, batch 39. And yours is batch 40, guys. Yours is batch 40. Okay, so you can see and videos will be uploaded SQL DBA batch B40, class 1, class 2, class 3, like that. Okay. So you can browse the videos up to like 25 to 30% videos you can browse. Remaining videos I'm going to, okay, send it to your email ID. And again, please don't share the recordings with anyone. Will you share remaining? Yes, of course. I'll share Deva. I'll share the remaining videos. Okay, I'll share the remaining videos. Nothing to worry. Right. Fine. And let me, yes. Doubts and exercises. Okay, as discussed earlier, I told, right? So in case of any issues, you can call me or you can stop me at any time and you can ask your doubt. Don't keep it in your mind. And again, guys, everyone from non-science, non-computer background only, don't hesitate to ask the doubts. You are paying the money, you are learning the course, not others. Don't think about others, okay, until you are good in the subject. Nothing to worry. There is nothing like a silly doubt and all. Whatever your doubt is, you can ask. Whatever it is, you can ask. Don't hesitate to ask. If you hesitate to ask, you are going to hesitate to learn. Okay, so don't do that. You can ask immediately and you can stop me and you can ask me immediately in case if something is like poking your mind. Okay, guys, so don't wait till the end of the class. You can ask immediately. What after this course? So after this course, I'll give you the sample resumes. You can prepare the sample resumes. You can upload the sorry, not sample resumes. You can upload your resumes in the Naukri and you will get calls. And if you are doing practice, if you started working from day one onwards, you can crack your interview by your own. No need to take anyone's help. Might be you may face difficulties in 2 or 3 interviews, but believe me, 10 interviews, if you complete 10 interviews, definitely you will have 2 offers in your hand. You will have 2 offers in your hands, guys. Believe me, believe me. Okay, 2 offers. You will call me and you will ask me, sir, this company is giving this much package, this company is giving this much package, which company I have to choose? Okay, so definitely why? Because I know initially 2 3 interviews you will face some difficulties, but keep on, you are going to crack a lot more interviews. Okay, definitely you will have two offer letters, 3 offer letters with your hands. You can choose which one is good and which one is paying more salary and all. Okay, but the thing is, the star condition is star. If you practice well, if you complete the course, you don't get the offer letters. Okay, if you practiced every day, then only you will get the offer letter. How to get the job, I told you, right? Okay, so this is the process. If you still facing the difficulties, then we'll discuss, that is the different part. How to build career after getting the job? Okay, so once you got the job, again you have to like concentrate on the, after like 6 months, once you are settled in the job, you have to concentrate on Azure also. Try to learn Azure also. And again, Azure means, I'm not saying leave SQL. Azure means Azure SQL DBA is not a new technology, it's an extension to your on-prem SQL server. You should be good in the on-prem. Whatever we are discussing, that is on-prem SQL server, native SQL server. You should be good in the on-prem, then only you can easily learn Azure and all. Okay, it's just an extension for your on-prem SQL servers. Azure is an extension for your on-prem SQL servers. That's it. Okay, so it's not a new technology. Same things you can see in the Azure also, but different options you can see. Okay, so try to learn Azure also once you got the job. And I guess, of course, you know about me, right? Myself, Shanmugh. I'm having a 10 plus years of experience as a SQL DBA. Since 7 years, I am teaching the SQL Server. Okay, this is the 40th batch, and last batch is 39th, and it is going to complete by this Sunday. And this is a short intro about me. That's it. I'm working for a UK company because of, okay, like restrictions. I cannot tell the name and all. Okay, so this is about myself. Who is eligible? Everyone is eligible. BTech graduate is eligible. Okay, any stream, BTech graduate, a BSc graduate, any group. Okay, a diploma also is eligible, guys. Diploma, if you have diploma also, you are eligible. Okay, so nothing to worry. So if you have completed diploma, a graduation, a post graduation, any stream, okay, it's fine. MBA, MCA, nothing like that. You can choose this technology and you can go for it. Okay, So this is all about your day one. Tomorrow we'll connect at same time, 7 o'clock. Okay, and we are going to discuss, okay, the actual subject and all. We'll slowly get into the subject. Tomorrow I'll take only 1 hour class. Why? Because I don't want to push everything in the one day. So slowly we'll go, slowly we'll go, slowly we'll go, and then okay, we'll be comfortable. So if you have any questions, you can ask me. Otherwise, that's it for today. And any suggestions also most welcome, guys. And any suggestions, and guys, finally at the end of the classes, I'll invite speakers from different companies. From Microsoft, speakers will come join and they will explain their experiences and all. From Microsoft, from other companies, from my old batch students, those who get the job, they will come and they will explain what struggles they face to get the job, what are their experiences, what are the challenges. So speaker series also will be there. 5 speakers will come from different, okay, companies, different countries also. Okay, and of course Microsoft speaker session is there. Microsoft, an SME subject matter expert from Microsoft, he will come and he will share his experiences and all, how he is going to filter the resumes, how he is going to take the interviews, what kind of things he is going to look into it in the candidate. Okay, so everything, there are speaker sessions also. Please use the speaker sessions. Okay, those are the beautiful sessions. Last batch I have already completed the speaker sessions. Okay, right, this is how it goes, guys. If you have any questions, you can ask me. And again, okay, first and foremost thing, you just okay decided to learn this course, guys. Don't think anything until up to 2 years, next 2 months, not sorry, not 2 years, next 2 months, you have to love the subject. Forget about the job, guys. Forget about the job. Please concentrate on the subject. Only concentrate on the subject. Forget about all your problems, all your family problems, financial problems. Just subject. What is this? I want to dig into it. I want to understand this concept. I want to practice it. That's it. Love the subject for the next 2 months. And guys, excellent career is waiting for you. Believe me, cab driver from Uber, okay, now he's earning 12 lakhs package as a SQL DBA. Can you believe? Cab driver. One of my students is a cab driver until last year. Then he cracked the interview after attending the training, and now he's earning 12 lakhs package. Okay, so it's not like cab driver. See, everyone has his own business. Okay, everyone has his own job. That's different thing. But again, why I'm saying like kind of inspiration to you, you just have to carry the fire until you are settled in the job. Okay, so like this, we have a lot of speakers also there. I'm going to call that guy. Okay, so he's going to explain everything, how he cracked the interview and all. So I want you to be a speaker for my next batch, guys. And again, the best way of learning any technology, not only SQL Server, prepare a neat notes after this class. Go with the recordings, prepare a neat notes by your own. Okay, don't depend on my notes. I'm going to share it, but don't depend on it. Write your own notes, and believe me, guys, definitely you will be mastering this technology. I'll help you a lot. I'll help you a lot. I'll help you a lot. Why? Because I know all the struggles. I faced all the struggles, and also nothing to worry. Whatever, okay, efforts from my side, I'm going to put it. And one thing I'm going to expect is dedication, seriousness. That's it, guys. I know everyone crossed 25, I hope. 27, 28, 29, 30. During these ages only we will get seriousness. Okay, up to 27 we don't get the seriousness. Okay, so when if we want to attend the matches and all, then we'll get the seriousness. Okay, so guys, please, dedication is very important. Okay, other trainers, they will simply tell you come and join, I am going to take care of the job and all. After that, you know, right, what is the situation and all. So it's not so easy to crack the interview and all. Okay, so this is the things, guys. If you have any questions, you can ask me. In Azure, many things are there. Which one should we learn? I'll tell you, Srinivas. Okay, I'll tell you. Okay, yeah. Any questions, guys? Any questions? Any doubts? Any suggestions, please? Any suggestions? Any doubts? Any questions?
Sure. This is Ram.
Yeah, Ram, tell me.
So, can you tell few points like difference between Linux admin and SQL Server admin?
Linux admin. Linux
Yes.
admin is an operating system admin, Ram. There is no difference at all. You cannot compare. Can you compare letters and kgs?
No, just 3 points on the roles and responsibilities.
No, that is a operating system admin. How can you
Yes.
compare a Linux admin and a SQL DBA? If you ask me to compare Oracle DBA and SQL DBA, that you can compare.
Oh, yes.
Linux admin and this Windows admin is different. SQL DBA is different. Okay, Linux admin, Windows admin you can compare. Oracle DBA, SQL DBA you can compare. You cannot compare Linux admin and your what we can say SQL DBA. Okay, SQL DBA is going to take care of the databases. Linux admin is going to take care of the Linux machines.
Okay. Okay. Got it. And as far as your knowledge and your experience, which is the most demanding in the market?
Database side. So if
Okay.
it
Good.
is
Thank
database side, data SQL DB is most like you can say it's a good technology. You can easily learn Oracle DB and all. Again, you should have knowledge on the okay this one Linux side. Okay, Oracle DB you should have knowledge on the Linux side. You should learn Linux operating system. But SQL DBA as Windows operating system, you have already have a knowledge on Windows operating system. You can easily handle the SQL Server DBA. Oracle again less opportunities when compared to SQL DBA.
Okay. Good. Thank you. I got it.
Yeah. Any questions, guys? Any doubts?
Shanmukh, one more question actually from my side. See, as
Yeah.
a SQL Server DB, you said one point that we should monitor the server and we should maintain the, I mean, we should take care the few databases.
Mm.
So, as a DBA, how many database we should monitor and take care?
It depends upon the okay company to company. Okay, it's not like a fixed. It depends upon the company. Some companies will have only 20 servers. Some companies will have 200 servers. Some companies will have 2000 servers. It depends upon the application which you are supporting. There is no fixed number. Okay, so it completely depends upon the project, company, client. Yeah, there are some employees who supports 20 servers. There are some employees who supports 2000 servers. Okay, so it depends upon your completely on your project only. If
Oh,
anyone asked how many servers you are supporting, how many databases you are supporting, just tell a reasonable number like I'm supporting 200 servers, I'm supporting up to 3000 databases or 5000 databases. Okay, you can tell this answer. And again, these kind of questions, there is a separate session at the end of the classes. I'll tell you the answers for these kind of questions. Okay,
Sir.
so is it compulsory to learn SQL and T-SQL as a MS SQL Server DBA? And Sunil, not the whole T-SQL, but it is good if you have knowledge, if you can learn, it's always an added advantage. So it will help you in tuning the queries and all. But if you don't have if you don't have the knowledge, if you can't learn, nothing to worry. We'll use 10 to 15 queries, okay, from T-SQL. So regularly we'll use those queries only. If you are good in those queries, that's fine. Okay, so it's not mandatory. And again, if you have the knowledge, it is very good. And of course, it will be very helpful for the SQL DBS if you have knowledge in the T-SQL. But it's not mandatory. Okay, whatever queries that I am going to teach in the class, that is fine to manage the databases.
Sir, is
Any
there is
thought
a
about it?
communication between SQL Server and Oracle Server, sir?
We can maintain communication between two different database softwares using linked servers. Okay, so that is possible. Okay, you can maintain the communication between two different, that not only SQL and Oracle, two different database servers, you can maintain the communication.
So, are we going to
I'll
create
show you.
links
I'll
for
show you.
that
I'll show you.
communication?
Yeah.
Yes.
That's not a big deal. You will give the server name, you will give the passwords, username and
Yes.
password. That's it. Okay, it's not a big deal. Okay, I'll show you.
Sir, one more question.
Yeah.
Does Amazon is you using MS SQL or
No,
not?
no, 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 no. I am just giving example. I don't know. To be frank, I don't know.
Okay.
But I heard it is using MS SQL only. Lot of openings are there earlier. Okay. I'm not sure whether the live application is using okay MS SQL Server or else any other supported applications in the Linux Amazon company are using MS SQL. I am not sure, but they are using the SQL Server. I'm not sure for the live production server which database it is running.
Lots of companies now are using clouds technology. That's why I'm asking.
See,
asking that.
again, cloud technology is not a different technology, guys. Cloud
Yes, sir.
is simply extension as discussed. You are on-prem means you are maintaining your own data centers. Cloud means you are like your servers are maintained by the Amazon or Microsoft. That's it.
Yes, sir.
Nothing. It's not a new product. It's not a rocket science. Simply your operating system, your servers are going to be maintained by the Microsoft or your Google Cloud or your Amazon AWS. Okay, again, same kind of infrastructure. Depends. The flexibility is more when compared to the on-prem. On-prem, you are using or not using, you have to pay the money. But cloud, imagine non-prod servers, no need, no one is going to use non-prod servers during the weekends. You can stop the non-prod servers during the weekend so that you can save a lot of money. Same interface, the options are going to change, same features, nothing is going to be okay a new thing. You should have on-prem knowledge to handle the cloud knowledge, cloud things and all.
Yes, sir.
Any questions, guys? Any questions, any doubts, any suggestions, guys? Please. Classes are too fast, too slow, too basic.
Shanmukh, I felt like this meeting sessions expiring very quickly. You know, if you provide that something better, I feel so.
I tried with other options meeting softwares also. The challenge is lot of like when we record, we are getting big files and all, which is not processing properly. And while uploading the files also, it is difficult to me to upload the files. Okay, so I felt this is a good software and recordings and all hardly 50 MB, 60 MB for 40 minutes. So you can easily upload the recordings. You can download it to your mobile and you can watch it. So I felt this is a relevant technology. Okay, so since many years I'm using this technology, so please, I know like disconnecting every 40 minutes little bit a disturbing thing, but please adjust okay for me, and this is the only thing we have. Okay, I tried
Uh,
Google, I tried okay what we have, what that is the one web what is that web meeting, WebEx, WebEx,
Webex.
yeah, Google Meet. Tried lot of things, but I don't find any like okay, like what we can say comfort when compared to the Zoom.
Okay, one more thing that is not any big issue. Okay, that's fine. So end of the end of the session. So are you providing complete from starting to ending
Yes,
day wise
yes,
session?
yes.
There will be no breaks and like this.
No. That is different thing. Okay, everything. I cannot spend time and I cannot club all the videos. I cannot give it to you. It will be class one, class two, class three. Today, three classes are completed, right? You will get class one, class two, class three. Okay, if you have
Okay.
time, you can club all together and you can watch it.
So you
If you are
said
good
one
in,
point that we have to download and watch
mm,
from YouTube.
yes.
So is there any chances can you forward those videos to the mail
30% I don't
address?
forward. 30 percentage of the videos I don't forward. Okay, that will be accessed by. You see, even though if I forward, you are going to download it. Even though it was uploaded in the YouTube, you are going to download it. There is no difference, I guess, right? So if I forward it to your mail, what you are going to do? Either you are going to watch it in the mail or you are going to download it. You can still use the same option from YouTube, right? Same features. Okay, if you want to download, you can download it from the YouTube. And 30% classes, I don't forward the classes to you. I'll upload in the YouTube. Remaining 70% you will get, okay, daily or every 2 days, you will get the video recording sessions to your email.
Okay, that's good. That's not an issue. The point one, I realized it by looking at your videos. When I completed the one class to find out next session, next class, and all, it's taken some time to among your all videos. So that's I
No,
felt
that's
so.
why I'll tell you, I'll rename it as class one, class two, class three. It's not like topic wise, okay? So topic wise, if I upload what happened, don't know which topic they have to watch first. Okay, they will go
Mhm.
randomly, so they will get confused, more confused. So that's why I don't upload using like topic wise names and all. I'll upload class 1, class 2, class 3, class 4. You keep on going those class sessions and all.
That's
Yes,
great. Next,
definitely, Anil. Anil, this time as this is the first class, that's why a lot of questions, doubts, and all will be there. So that's why I took 2 hours. Tomorrow, sharp 7 o'clock, it will start. Sharp 8:30, it is going to end. And tomorrow, day after tomorrow, I'll take classes for only 1 hour from Monday onwards, 7 to 8:30. Okay, including doubts also. Doubts also should be completed by 8:30. I know why, because a lot of working professionals are there. Okay, so you will face some challenges. Okay, nothing to worry, Anil. I'll take care of it. Yeah. Any
Sir,
Yes, yes,
are we
please.
going to create any monitoring server, sir?
Monitoring server means
Like we are getting notification like if there is a long running query. So
nothing. No,
after
no,
three
no. We are
hours,
not going to do, we are not going to create anything like that. So in case if you want, you can go for custom queries. Okay. Custom scripts and all will be there. You can use, I'll tell you how to do that. Okay. You can use the custom scripts and all, and you can create. Okay. So we are not going to, why? Because hardly we can create 3 machines at a time. Okay. 3 machines will be up and running. So if we create the fourth machine again, it will be like your laptop will be go to hang state and it won't be responded. So that's why we are going to
yes,
limit it to these things only. We'll discuss only the topics. Okay. We are not going, if you have any specific requirement, that's not a great deal. Okay. So if you let me know, I'll tell you how to do that. Okay. So that you can plan accordingly.
yes, sir.
Yeah.
So we are going to create three servers. So there is a communication between them.
Yes, of
Like
course. I'll explain everything.
uh,
I'll explain
live
everything. Communication
yes,
and all should be there between those 3 servers. Without communication, data won't be synchronized. I will explain everything. Okay, forget about those things. Everything. No need to take any help. No need to depends on Google. If you follow my videos, you can. Okay, what you can do? You can set up your own activities, your own things and all in your own laptop. If you want to learn
yes,
extra, you have to depend on Google. Remaining things, communication and all, I'll take care of it. How to make communicate between the machines and all, how to do the okay, how to set up these things with your own laptop. I'll take care of everything. You can simply follow my videos to okay, what to practice the things and all. And guys, it is showing less than 1 minute. If you don't have any questions, that's okay. If you have questions, please ping me in the WhatsApp. Okay. So we'll discuss, not an issue. And the meeting is going to close now. Okay. So if you still have any questions, please ping me in the WhatsApp. Tomorrow sharp 7 o'clock, we are going to connect and we'll discuss okay. We are going to slowly jump into the topics. Fine. Yeah. Thank you so much. Thank you for attending. Thank you all. In case if you have any of your friends are there, please refer them. Okay. So thank you so much. And we'll meet tomorrow at 7 a.m. Thank you guys. Bye.
yes.